guys, welcome to my channel Shakeel. So I am come with a new software. It's calling. Okay, let's back to there. This Adguard. This is software is very helpful, and you can use to many things. This software can help in your computer saved, and when you're watching a lot of movie online, so a lot of ads and they have a problem, lot of pop-up. So lot of things we have a problem with our computer, so we get a lot of virus and many things. But you can try this software. I know maybe you think why you must trust this software. I telling you because example, when I'm going to Trustpilot, of course Trustpilot is feedback reviews. So when you're searching the name of the software, you can see here. So you can, let's scroll down. A lot of people, okay, let's reading the latest reviews. Okay, you can see this is 5-star, and you can see one is the latest reviews is May 12, okay, 2020 of course. So you can see top ad block app. Okay, so this is a I think it's good one and nice. So you can see here excellent product, annoying advice on Windows 10. Okay, so blah blah blah. You can see Chinese and everywhere. So this is whole video feedback, and okay, let's continue to back to the website. Example, what this can helping you. This supporting is a Windows 10 across Windows, Mac, MacBook, Android, and iOS. Of course, iPhone and iPad and whatever Android tablet can helping you. But I provide you today with a Windows, your computer, so laptop. So if you want to secure your computer from hacking on a bad pop-up and ads blocked. So normally we using here look, but we don't need that. So what if we're going to be using just today and download free software. This is a full package you will get a lifetime from me. So what is it? Ad blocking and safe web surfing and parental control. Then after protect your data for privacy protection. So you can see here you get a filter block all kinds of ads. You will not get it. You show that they will give you block your ads if when you watch a movie or something other than when you searching, example on Google or visit some website. So they will provide you safe your all privacy, and you will check it. So okay, let's continue to next step. What you need to go into, example, copy this links, the first link, step number 1. So you copy this, I'm going to copy, and then after I'm going to open new tab, Control T, so then after Control V and paste this one, and it's lowering right now. So what is second step? Second step, you need to, they will ask you a key number. So what you need to do, still is lowering. So you need to just copy this key, long key, you can see the name here. Yeah, copy. Then after they will asking you description key. Okay, you need to just paste this key you have copy. Don't worry, this thing is be on description when I upload, of course, video. So you can copy for directly from video. So copy it up from there. Then after click here. Then after you can go into download this file. Okay, this size is not 33, I will say 33 MB. So I already have a download on my desktop, so I'm going to show you here. Okay, hold on. you can see here I have already here, so you click, just right click and extract file, okay, or you can click that from here, whatever you need, okay, or you can just click from here. So let's begin the video. Please subscribe and like, share if you like it, and please subscribe because you can get a new video when I upload a new video, so you can get it directly on your phone, on your computer. Thank you.
I can do this.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.